Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to enable auto dark mode on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Go to my control center, then showing it to dark mode option. Just easily turn on or turn off your dark mode. Or if you want to set auto dark mode, open settings, scroll down, click on to display. Then you get light and dark mode and press on dark mode settings and select turn on as schedule, and you just set time, start time and end time, like 12 hour, this time to this time. Automatically enable dark mode. Press on done. So that's it.